Okay world, hey, I just thought I'd show you the inside after you get done pulling down this cover right here, which looks like this, looks like an Everest, but this is a Jimex, and it's got one of these little units like an Everest. Looks like an Everest. I think it's an Everest copy, or Everest copied these guys, or vice versa, or whatever. But anyhow, so I thought I'd show you guys. This thing froze up like a big dog. Used a, I don't know where my pump sprayer is here, but I just used one of those pump sprayers. Had them boil water on the stove, a couple gallons, and just used some boiling water. Use a pump sprayer and defrosted all the side of it and everything. Thing comes apart pretty easy. Just 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one on the front. Just little Phillips screws. Pulls it down. You got a thermistor here for air temp, which is here. And you got a defrost sensor up here. And a heating element here. So I gotta check this thing in defrost. Looks like 350 watts. Says on this thing, which is nice, which is cool. So you got defrost elements coming out the yin yang on this thing. You got defrost on the bottom here. This plate. This is like the evap pan, which has got like an element in it here and a drain element so the drain doesn't freeze. And man, you'd think this was set up for like a freezer. Anyways, little fan on the front here, and it got ice and everything all up in here, so I have to loosen the top screw here, take this screw out here, this one out here, loosen this one to open this, and take these 2 screws out and this screw. Take this pan thing, comes off real easy, just hangs down. I have to drop this down to get the cubes out so they didn't get in the fan blade. Fan motor works. I ran it, so I got compressor runs, condenser fan motor runs, so it gets cold a little bit, so ran it. So hopefully just a door hung open, or might have, I'm guessing maybe a defrost circuit doesn't work, or since this thing's reading air temp, could have just been a box, hung the door open, you know. So I might have to go coil temp on this sensor, so I'll have to see what I got to do to repair this thing to get it up to snuff, or just put it, you know, get it back to where it was from factory if I can. They don't make this unit anymore, so I got to find parts or do what I got to do. They don't, this Coldtech's out of business, so this Coldtech it says right here, Jimex Corporation, so they don't make this thing anymore, so I can't get the exact parts, but I'm thinking maybe Everest parts might work. So I gotta see if this defrost heater works. But anyways, so I'd show you guys a little progress thing. Anyways, put it back together.